Hi everyone, this is Remote Pilot Instructor Sumit from India Drone Academy, and today let me give you an insight into the role of drones in disaster management. Disaster management has emerged as one of the most significant challenges for both the government as well as the private sector. There are numerous historical use cases that highlight the contributions of these drones deployed for search and rescue operations or to assist the victims. In fact, many countries have adopted the use of drones during disasters, recognizing their importance in response efforts. Drones have proved to be a valuable tool for transporting the essential supplies to the remote areas where rescue workers cannot reach easily, identifying the sources of fires, and locating survivors. For instance, after the earthquake at Nepal in 2015, drones were used to map the affected areas, helps in locating survivors and deliver the essential supplies. Modern technology enables drones to detect a heartbeat from under 40 feet of debris. No matter how remote the area may be, it can pick up the signals deep under the rubbles. And this allows rescuers to pull out the humans alive. During the Hurricane Harvey in the United States, drones have assisted in finding the people on the rooftops and guiding the rescue teams to save them. In Japan, after the 2016 earthquakes, drones were deployed to inspect the damaged bridges and buildings without putting the human lives at risk to those danger areas during inspection. In Rwanda, drones have been used to deliver the blood and medical supplies to the remote clinics, saving lives by reducing the time from hours to minutes. The benefits are countless, and as this technology continues to evolve, it holds a very promising future. It will definitely increase the success rate of rescue operations in the future. Looking forward to welcoming you to the India Drone Academy. Thank you.